in this lesson, the teacher is going to be retired, okay, and all the students, they are giving a farewell to the teacher. Farewell in the sense they are giving, uh, they have arranged once particular day. On that day, there was a function, and that function is called that they are going to say bye bye to the teacher. Okay, so they arranged the functions. Only the students were there, and they have called the respected teacher to that class, and they gave a speech, and they just felicitate with the golden good wishes. Okay, now, let's talk about the lesson. In this lesson, the first character is mentioned is Yogita. Yogita, who is Yogita now? Yogita is the student. Okay, so as Yogita was having a function, she arranged the function, and she was the host. She was standing on the stage to felicitate the teacher. Felicitate means to give good wishes to the teacher. Our respected teacher, Mrs. Shastri. Okay, what is the name of the teacher? The teacher was Mrs. Shastri. And all my friends means the student, those who are in fourth standard. Okay, belongings to class 4th B. As you know well, we have arranged this short function today to say goodbye to our favorite teacher. Who was? That was the favorite teacher of the student, and they wanted to say goodbye because that was the day when she was going to be retired. Okay, that was the last day of her in the school. First of all, I request Madhu to say few words about her. Now, Yogita was the host. She just introduced about the function that we came here or we gathered here for the function to felicitate or to give a farewell to the teacher. And she said that Madhu is going to talk on teacher. Our favorite teacher, Mrs. Shastri, and friends, I really going to limit my speech to a few words. What she said that I'm not going to talk a lot because I'm going to limit my speech. 4 years ago, I never dreamed that I would be able to make a speech in English. What she said that when I was in first standard, I was very hard with the English. I was not able to speak. But when it was hard before 4 years ago. But when I joined the school, I found the teacher. Okay, and I will never dream that I would be able to make a speech in English. It is only because of Mrs. Shastri that I am able to do so today. What she said that because of only this teacher, my favorite teacher, she taught me, and she gave me this spirit, this that I can stand on the stage and give a speech. It is only because of Mrs. Shastri that I am able to do so today. She is a great teacher, and we have enjoyed every minute of her class. Next year, she will not be with us. Why she will not be there? Because she is going to be retired. Because we all are going to a new class, but we will always remember her. What was the second reason? They are going to fifth standard. That means they are going upstairs. So fourth standard teacher will not be there to teach them. So they are going to miss the teacher. We will always remember her. And I hope, I'm sure, what she said that first of all, she was hoping, but after that, she recognized that no, I'm sure she will be kind enough to remember us. What she said that she will also not forget to us. And she said that we can go to see her at her home whenever we feel like, but we will miss her in next year. What they said that we can go and we can meet her in the home, but we are really going to miss her in the school, in the class, when we have lectures at that time. We are going to miss her. Now, again, when she finished, the Madhu, that girl is, when she finished with the speech, Yogita as a host again came to the stage. And what she said that, as a token of our love and respect, Shubha will offer a bouquet of flower and a gift. What she said that she gave the instructions that now, as a token of love, as we all love the teacher, we are going to present her a bouquet. Okay, now what she said, that she gave the authority to Shubha, that Shubha will offer a bouquet to the teacher, a bouquet of flower. We have prepared the bouquet and the flowers ourselves. What they said, that it's not a bouquet which we have bought from the shop, but every student brought one flower and we made this bouquet, the gift for our teacher. It may not look good, too good, but we know you will understand our feeling. What she said, that we are not trained one to make a bouquet, but then also we made this bouquet and you can understand the feelings. You can try to understand what our feeling wanted to give it to you. May I request you now, madam, to say a few words? What? Now it was a very short function. Only one or 60 to 70 students were there, and amongst them, two or three students may have given the speech. And what they said, that at the end, they wanted the teacher to say a few words. Now, the teacher entered on the stage. And what she said, let's see. Girls and boys, I'm really overwhelmed. I am sorry to part with you. What she said, that I am really very overwhelmed, and I'm sorry to part with. I'm very sorry that I'm very feeling very bad that I'm going to be parted with you. I'm not going to be with you, of course, but I'm really proud of you. What she said, that you were a learners, but you made me proud by having a good behavior, a good nature, a very nice student, and I am proud of you for that. You have given me the best reward a teacher can ask for. What she said, that as your bouquet was not perfect, but it was a great reward for me. It's very, really, very precious gift for me. The confidence with you conducted this program was really amazing. She gave the confidence, that yes, the confidence which you have shown, you are there on the stage, you are talking in English, and that gave me the reward, as in your confidence shows that the program was really very amazing. You have done equally well in the other activities throughout the year. I'm sure you will all have the bright future ahead of you. What she said, the teacher gave the blessings, that when I was with you from first standard to fourth standard, you done a very good job. Throughout all the activities, you were very good. And I will hope for the bright future. I will see that in the next year, in the future also, you will do your best. I wish you all the very best in life. What she said, she gave the best wishes. And all the class said, thank you, madam. Yes, all of them said, thanks to the teacher. Okay, now let us see one video which the lesson we have learned about a farewell to the teacher. Okay, let's see the video. Every year you come to the new class. Teacher, can you start the recording? Come to the new class and you miss your teacher of previous year. Here, the students are arranging some program for their best and favorite teacher. Let's read the chapter and enjoy the farewell of the teacher. So, student, who is this girl? Let us see her name. Yogita. Her name is Yogita. Let's see what she's saying to us. A respected teacher, Mrs. Sastri, and all my friends belong to class 4th B. As you know well. So, she's beginning the speech by respecting us teacher and the friends of 4th B. Let's see what she's saying us. So, student, what Yogita is saying to us? We have arranged. Arrange means put things in a neat, attractive, or required order. This short function. What is the function? A farewell to the teacher. And who is the teacher? Sastri.
Today to say goodbye to a favorite. Favorite means a person or thing that is preferred to all others of same kind or is especially well liked. Teacher. So she has arranged a beautiful function for the class both B and for the teacher. Let's see what is that function. What are all the functions she has arranged? First of all, I request Madhu to say a few words about her. So, Yogita is calling to her friend Madhu to say a few words about her favorite teacher, that is Mrs. Sastri. Let us see what Madhu says for a teacher. What she want to say a few words?
आईएएस का एग्जाम की जानकारी दीजिए।
विकिपीडिया के
हमसे बोल रहे।
Yes, she's Madhu. And let's see what Madhu want to say to the class. Our favorite teacher, Mrs. Sastri. And friends, I'm really going to limit my speech to a few words. So she's saying that she will say a few words so that others don't feel bored. You know that when a speech extends to a time, you feel boring. And when it is short, you like it very much. So let us see a speech of Madhu. 4 years ago, I never dreamed. Dream means experience dreams during sleep. That I would be able to make a speech in English. Saying that she never hoped to write a single word in English because of the teacher who she has reached to 4th standard. You know that your teacher does a lot of sacrifice for you. She puts all the students in equal level. And if any student is not good in studies, she really helps that student to come in good level. So let's see what she says more. It is only because of Mrs. Sastri that I am able to do so today. She's a great teacher and we have enjoyed every minute of our class. Yes, you know that the lecture of the class is very interesting. Some teachers teach in a playful manner and you enjoy the class a lot. She gives lots of activity, homework, and you enjoy every minute of the class. Here, she will not be with us because we are all going to new class. But always remember her. Students, whenever you go to new class, you get a new class teacher. So, Madhu is saying that she's going to miss the class teacher a lot. But she's going to remember her. And she's going to, and the class is also missing Mrs. Sastri because she was very good enough. And I hope, I'm sure, she'll be kind enough to remember us too. She has said that we can go and see her at her home whenever we feel like. We'll miss her next year. You know that 1 year your class teacher is with you and you love your class teacher a lot. So here Madhu says, Mrs. Sastri has told. And who is going to offer this? Shubha. Let's see further. It may not look too good, but we know you will understand our feelings. May I request you now, madam, to say a few words. Here, Madhu is saying, the class teacher, speak a few words, and how she felt when the students gave her the bouquet of flowers and the gift. Mrs. Sastri, girls and boys, I am really overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means cause to feel sudden, strong emotion. I'm sorry to part with you, of course, but I'm really proud of you. So, you know that the entire year the teacher, the student, of course, the teacher also has the pain to lead the students. And the teacher is always, you know that the teacher is always proud of the students, whoever at class. She like all the students in the class. Even she feels bad to be away from the student next year. You have given me the best reward. Reward means a reward is something given as done in a written for good. A teacher can ask for the confidence. Confidence means the feeling or belief that one can have faith in or rely on someone or something with which you conducted. Conducted means organized and performed a particular activity. This program means arrange an event according to plan or schedule, was really amazing. Amazing means very impressive, excellent. So students, the teacher is saying that you have given me the gift, the bouquet. I feel very nice. It's really very amazing. And the program was very nice. And she is appreciating the students for the best program. You have done all the other activities. Activities means a thing that a person or group does or has done throughout the year. Students, in the classroom, you have so many activities and you love, right? All the activities, all the competition, you miss them all. And you know that the teacher tries to give you good marks. She wants all the students to come in a good level. All students are equal for her. If any student is not good in any activities, the teacher help you. So here is the class teacher. She's saying to the students, I am sure you all have a bright future. Future means at a later time, going or likely to happen or exist ahead of you. I wish you all the very best in life. Students, when you go to the new class, the teacher always says kind words. So, these are the kind words she's saying to the students. So, these are the students of class 4th B. And what they are saying? Ah, thank you, madam. So, students, let us check.
Start.
Okay. To Sapna teacher, you might be leaving us, but your teaching will still remaining in our mind. Farewell, teacher Shriyan.
Okay, very good. Very good, Shreya. In a very short and sweet word, Shreyansh gave us the speech. Thank you, Shreyansh. Okay, now Adarsh will give us a speech. Start.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Here I feel grateful to deliver this farewell speech on such an outstanding day like this. We are all here to bid goodbye to our valuable high teacher who retired from the active position. Today I realized how time and valued moments fly. Thank you.
Welcome. Very good, beta. Very nice.
Yes,
Okay.
my school is very beautiful. I like to go school. I am missing my school in lockdown. My teachers and friends, I miss you very much.
Okay.
Teacher and as well as my friends. My school is a big and gorgeous school. There were so many teachers and sirs. We go to play PT on the ground. Ma'am, done.
Ishka Milin Kamre, I study in 4D. I am giving a speech on a farewell of the teacher to Sapna teacher.
Okay.
Every farewell ceremony for student is addressed with a farewell speech by a teacher or principal to make them feel special. A farewell embark preaching to a new direction or career leaving the position. A farewell speech is a warm and loving way to say goodbye to those with whom you spend a long time with. It gives us chance to say thank you to those who help you and repeated you while they work with you. Thank you.
My favorite teacher is Sapna teacher. I like my teacher. I give to her rose, flower of bunch, and greeting card. Thank you.
Okay.
My favorite teacher is Sapna teacher. I like to she teaches many things of respect and how to talk with parents and person. Thank you.
Okay.
My name is Prathamesh Ramesh Shinde. I study in Standard 4 Division D. Today I am going to give a farewell message for a teacher. I respect you for having such a big heart to tolerate behaviors of naughty and disrespectful students just to ensure that you impart knowledge to everyone. Adios, dear teacher. Dearest teacher, I thank you earnestly for standing by me during the hard and good times. Goodbye, my special teacher. Thank you.
Very good. Very nice.
Dear teacher, school won't be same without a wonderful teacher like you, Sapna teacher. Thank you.
Okay. Only one message.
Teacher. My name is Danesh Shevantwara from Standard 4C. I like Sapna teacher and he teaches our class English. Thank you.